In every classroom, whether in school, college, or university, each student learns at a different pace, while teachers work tirelessly to meet diverse learning needs. Meet VidyaAI, the revolutionary personalized and adaptive learning platform that empowers students and teachers both. VidyaAI tailors learning experiences, dynamically adjusting paths based on real-time data for each student. It provides personalized notes, searchable lectures, and AI Buddy, which offers explanations of complex concepts and immediate doubt clarification. The platform continuously offers dynamic content tailored to each student based on their learning curve. In addition to what the teacher has taught, VidyaAI offers curated, credible content and links on the same topics from trusted global sources to enhance understanding. It automatically generates multiple-choice and subjective questions for self-assessment, refining content curation to suit each learner's needs. For teachers, VidyaAI provides valuable insights to help them adapt their teaching to better support every learner. Most importantly, teachers have the option to edit any content before sending it out to students. With VidyaAI, every student has a chance to excel.